Welcome to Amunamiso TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The District Commissioner for Nkhotakota, Tonho, has confirmed that 2 people who were on the plane that crashed into Lake Malawi in Nkhotakota yesterday have died. Tonho stated that the bodies of the 2, including the pilot, have been taken to Nkhotakota District Hospital. A group of people managed to retrieve the plane from Lake Malawi area this morning. 1 person survived and is currently at Nkhotakota District Hospital, though her injuries are not severe.